Hey, what's up? It's Muslim with Perfect Soul Customs, and we're back with another custom. Today we're going to be doing some Jordan 5s. Honestly, when I got them, they were in terrible shape. They were horrible. Scratches in the leather, rips, tears in the leather, everything. That's why I'm kind of looking any kind of way today. These customs literally tore me up. Like, these customs got me looking a mess. Like, but we're gonna do what we do best and clean them up, get them right. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell. Thanks again for watching. Please leave me some comments and let me know what you guys think. Without further ado, let's get into the customs.
So